Hello guys, this is me, Squid. Welcome back to video. I'm joined by Tiny Enderman.
What's up guys, me is T Tiny Man and I'm being joined by Little Squiddy.
So we have it. It's right here. Metal. Yes. Sorry about that.
Where's black?
It's here. We arrived. It's arrived.
It's
from,
here.
We just ordered or buy it. I don't know where
Maybe
from.
to talk from.
No. So it's really fast. We just
Wait.
So let's see. It's very. So here's it. This is mine, pink one, and Tiny Enderman is black because he's black. I don't know why I don't have blue. The blue will be so
Wait.
good.
So Little Squiddy is very fast because I don't know.
Yeah. So let's check the inside. Here, let's see if it's like. Okay. Got it.
Oh, you see it?
Got it.
You see it? You see it? Wait. Squiddy, move your house.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm gonna move.
So this is the inside.
Ow! Wow.
There's you can see this and
Squiddy,
this.
open this for me.
This is a hole. There. What?
Open this too.
Don't need.
Okay.
Just take it. This is tiny enough.
Ow.
So if we put a pen in here, it will just spin like that. Wait, it can spin now. I think so. Leave it. Okay, so I fix this screw here. I put it just right here. Just fix it. Then I'll put it right here. Oh no.
Okay.
Oh boy!
Now you
I'm
see
very
this.
excited because it's arrived. This is the whole box of it. You can see. This is the you can see the shape of that. You can see. You can see the whole shape of that.
I love its shape of you.
That song. Just a song. So that. I think. Oh.
Wait, it can hurt me. Oh, it's not hurting if I do hand. It's not hurting us.
Okay, now it's okay. So you can see sound will come too. You can hear the sound. See, whenever you can hear. Also you. Okay. So here.
Mine is more louder than his. But
So
he's very loud.
that is it for unboxing this fidget spinner metal. There's it. So please blue the like button for me and Tiny Enderman's channel and subscribe to his channel. Okay, so
And subscribe and like.
Thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked it, just
Like the video and subscribe.
okay. If you liked the video, just like the button and just subscribe. Do the like button and subscribe. Okay, you'll see Tiny Enderman videos in his channel. I'm gonna send it. Just bye.